Good morning everyone. Welcome to the part 1 of OpenCV tutorial series.
Here, in this resource folder, I have these images. We will be using the first image. Now importing the module. Import CV2. Now reading the image. Image is equal to cv2.imread, and here goes the file name. Now getting the shape of the image, which will be in the form of height, width and channel. Shape is equal to image.shape. Now getting the total number of pixels in the image. Size is equal to image.size. Now printing the shape. As I said earlier, height, width and channel. And printing the number of pixels. Now let's run the program. So this is the height, width and channel and total number of pixels. Now I want to view the picture using OpenCV. So while true, cv2.imShow, here we will write the name of the window and our image. Now we will place some conditions. To quit the window, we will press Q key. So cv2.wait key of 0 is equal to Q, break. And to save the image, we will press the button S. Now saving the image, we will use cv2.imWrite. First will be the path of the image and the name. And second will be the image that we have read earlier. Now at the end of program, always remember to destroy all the windows created by the cv2. So cv2.destroy all windows. We can see that the image is quite large. So we will have to resize the image. Thus, resizing the image. RED image, reduced image is equal to cv2.resize. First goes the image variable, then goes the size, which will be in the form of width, height. Remember, we get the shape as height, width, but here we have to pass width, height. Now let's run the program. Changing the red image. See, the image is quite small. So now I want 1/8 of my image. So we will pass shape of 1/8 and shape of 0/8 because of height and width. It interchanges here. And remember, we have to pass an integer and not float. Reducing the size 1/8 and we get this image. It's perfect. And by pressing the S key, you can see that Here the image test.jpg is saved. Now I want to save my image as gray. Converting the image to grayscale, gray is equal to cv2.convertColor, cvt color of red image, comma cv2.color underscore bgr2 gray. Our image is red as bgr, not rgb. Remember this. Now this is the color image. Let's run the program. And there you go, we have the grayscale image. Now pressing S to save the image and quitting, you can see that the image is now black and white. So this is the whole code. You will be able to find it on the GitHub.
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next part by subscribing to the channel and turning the notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, have a great day.